What's up, guys? It's Outside Guy John here again. Back up in North Carolina for spring break. Lovely weather. Today, we're going to be getting on the lawnmower, as you see right there. It will be a cold start. Hasn't been started since last year. So let's just jump right into it and let's see if this thing will start up. Alright, so first off, we've got the lawnmower right here. It's a little dirty from last year. Alright, let's see if it'll start up. Wow, that started better than I figured it would. Let's go ahead and pour it out instead. That started way better than I figured. Let's see. I really thought it was going to be a really shitty start. But I guess it wasn't that bad, but it's running good. I'll set you guys down and I'll do a full throttle and pass by you guys. Alright, guys. Just a second. Let's go ahead and stop right here. Alright, guys. And it just shut off because I just set it off. So we're going to put you guys right here. Alright, hold on, guys. I'll be right there. Alright, guys, that's actually pretty good. Now, let's just go. I got a couple trails over there in my yard. Let's go see what it is. Alright, guys. Let's go right